Welcome to this guide on securing your email with two-factor authentication or 2FA. Your email is a gateway to your digital life, holding personal and financial information. Let's explore how 2FA can protect you from cyber threats. Imagine your email as a master key to your digital world. If someone gains access, they can reach everything from your bank accounts to social media. Protecting this key is crucial to safeguarding your personal and business information. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, also called multi-factor authentication, MFA or two-step verification, 2SV, adds an extra security layer to your email. It requires not just your password but also a second verification form, like a code sent to your phone, ensuring hackers can't access your email easily. 2FA protects against phishing attacks, prevents unauthorized access, and gives you peace of mind. Knowing your email is secure allows you to focus on what truly matters without worrying about potential cyber threats. Let's dive into enabling 2FA for Gmail. Start by signing into your Gmail and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Click See All Settings. A new page will open. Click on Accounts and Imports. Click on Other Google Account Settings. Click Security. Scroll down to how you sign into Google. Click Two-step verification is off. A new page will open. Select Turn on two-step verification. If you do not have a phone number or authentication app set up, you will be prompted to add a verification method. Click Done. Your Gmail account is now secured with two-factor authentication. For Yahoo Mail users, sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Select Account Info. You may be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. Click Security. Click Enable two-step verification. Scroll down to the two-step verification section. Select Turn On. Yahoo allows you to choose either push notification, phone number, authenticator app, or security key as your two-step verification method. Select the one that suits you best. I will be selecting phone number. Select Add phone number or select an existing phone number. Select Receive code on WhatsApp or receive code by text. Check your text message or WhatsApp for the code and enter it into the prompt on your screen. Click Next. You may be prompted to verify your account recovery options for security purposes. Click Next. Your Yahoo Mail account is now secured with multi-factor authentication MFA. The next time you sign in, you will be prompted for a verification code. For Microsoft accounts, including Hotmail and Outlook, log into your email. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Click My Microsoft account. Click on Security in the left panel. Click Manage how I sign in. Scroll down to the Additional Security section, locate Two-Step Verification and click Turn On. A setup guide will appear. Click Next to begin. Choose a verification method. Microsoft allows you to choose either a phone number, authenticator app, or recovery email address as verification options. Select the one that suits you best. Click Finish. You've now successfully enabled MFA for your Microsoft account. After enabling 2FA, test the process by logging out and back in. You'll be prompted for both your password and the second verification step, ensuring your email account is now significantly more secure. To further secure your email, use strong, unique passwords and regularly review account activity for unauthorized logins. Keeping your recovery email and phone number updated is also essential for maintaining security. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled multi-factor authentication for your email account, significantly boosting its security. Taking just 5 minutes to enable 2FA can save you from a lifetime of stress. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more online safety tips.